Why, hello there. Today we look at Premier Christopher Ward C60 Trident Lumière. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Well, the Christopher Ward team just loves to drop a bombshell casually, don't they? At the end of the summer, when our researchers struggled to find a watch premiere worth talking about, at HHN we got wind of an imminent release from Christopher Ward. Honestly, we weren't expecting much. And now we have scrambled to deliver you the news, pushing back other ready videos. The C60 Trident Lumière feels like another milestone in the brand's development. It combines all the elements that were present before, just not in one watch at the same time. So what do we have here? In a nutshell, it's a tool-like diverwatch focused on the brightest lume possible. The word Lumière, pardon my French, should be a dead giveaway. It's not like any previous Trident was lacking in the lume department, but Christopher Ward decided the insane is not enough, and what we really need is ludicrous. And don't get us wrong, there's no compromise in other aspects of the watch, so let's review it point by point. There are 3 color variants: orange, black, and blue. The case is made from grade 2 titanium. It's more affordable than grade 5, but also more prone to scratching, as the surface is softer than stainless steel. The size is 41 millimeters, while the lug-to-lug measurement is 47.9 millimeters. It is perfectly wearable, even if you have just a 16-centimeter wrist. Christopher Ward just nails the proportions here, unlike the Longines Spirit. You'd be surprised how slim the case is, only 10.9 millimeters thick, and it's water-resistant to 300 meters. Plus, there's a helium escape valve. The designers know well it will be of use to no one, but at HHN we bet they have included it just to poke Rolex or Omega. The star of the show is the Lume. This Trident has done away with the multifaceted applied indices. Instead, we have a 3D printed blocks of pure lume. What about the applied logo? Exactly the same, and the signature Trident's hands also underwent similar treatment. Let's talk about the movement. Yes, it is a Solida, but it is not an SW200 often found in microbrand watches. The upgraded SW300 provides more robust power reserve, and it's slimmer, contributing to reducing the total height of the watch. It is a chronometer, meaning a COSC certification. With a titanium watch comes a titanium bracelet. Of course, there is an on-the-fly adjustment in the clasp. It's a Christopher Ward, but there's a rubber strap if you prefer it. Yet, all of this pales in the glow of this lume. Literally, just look at it. To say you can read in that light would be an overstatement, but only a slight one. Where proud, established watch brands often neglect the lume, the independent ones make it one of the key features. Again and again, Christopher Ward delivers the most watch per money spent. It's like a Skoda among car brands. If all you care about is specs, this one is for you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a light bringer. Just which one to choose. All right, you can take your sunglasses off. It's safe again. Thank you for staying with us till the end, and catch you in the next one.